Good morning, guys. Today is, I don't know, Saturday, and I decided that I was going to vlog because I'm leaving the house. And what better time to vlog than when you're leaving the house during a pandemic. I'm just doing my makeup. I've already showered, obviously. My hair is wet. I don't know what I'm gonna do to my hair. If you guys have been watching me and keeping up with my videos, you know that I like doing my hair. So I'm thinking we're just going to do a slick ponytail, and that's it. Because I don't really feel like doing a lot. I honestly don't even feel like doing a lot of makeup either. I kind of want to be simple. I have some errands to run, not real errands, just like I need to go to Home Goods, I need to go to Zara, I need to go grocery shopping. That's the only real thing I need to do. I'm gonna go to DD's, Ross, and Marshall's because I'm looking for some things to decorate my laundry room that I am like redoing. So yeah, I need to find the decor pieces and like containers and stuff, and you know, all that fun stuff. So that is the plan today. The morning I'm going to be by myself because babe is doing something. So I will be all on my little lonesome. Is that good? That's enough, right? So yeah, I'm gonna be by myself this morning, but y'all pray for me because, you know, when you be by yourself, you spend a lot more money. And yeah, I seen this like thing on TikTok. This lady, she said for people who are 40 and over, I'm not 40 and over obviously, but she told them not to put the concealer up here because it creases more, and to just kind of put it right here and then blend it upwards. And I find that my concealer creases a lot, so I'm just gonna try that today and see, you know, how I like that, and not like going ham under the eye. And I'm not doing a lot of concealer today because I'm not really going for a full beat. I'm so excited to go to Zara because it's finally open near me. If you don't know, I am in Northern California and the rules out here is ridiculous, like so ridiculous. Like I have to get my nails and toes done. Well, my toes, I don't get my nails done. Like outside under a tent is honestly just too much. So yeah, I am going to finish getting ready and I will catch you guys, I don't know, in the car probably per usual, or why do I look ghostly and why does my hair look gray? What is going on? Okay, I will catch you guys probably at DD's because that's gonna be my first stop because I need to stock up on my winter and fall sweaters and I'm so excited. Okay, bye. Bruh, that's what I be talking about. Look at that. It just never works. Like, okay, I be looking okay from the front, but then that's not cute. And let me tell y'all, my hair is like, even though I relax it, it's still really thick. Y'all see my biceps? Like I really be having to use my muscles. Just like. Oh my God, did it do it again? Bruh, that's even more. I'm leaving it because I've done this ponytail about 5 times now I'm not about to let this ruin my day. Okay, put a couple bobby pins, do my edges, and go on about my business. That is so annoying. Can somebody please tell me how to slick down my ponytail? Okay, I'm finally ready, and this is what I got on. I don't know where this bodysuit is from. This skirt is from Adidas, and it just has this print on it. It's wrinkled, but I figured that the what do you call it, the pattern would camouflage the wrinkles some. So yeah, and I just have my little brown Kate Spade purse that my best friend got me, and just some brown sandals, and I am ready to shop. Hey. But they have these really cute baskets that I think are going to be super cute on my laundry shelves, and they're like black and white. Aren't these super cute? And they're only $5, so don't be sleeping on your local Dd's. If you have one, it's like Ross but cheaper, and they pretty much carry the same stuff, so don't sleep on Dd's. I'm telling y'all that I got a bunch of cute sweaters and things, just like a bunch of cute stuff. You got to take your time in there, but it's definitely worth it to save some coin, especially if you're looking for some trendy pieces that you don't know if they're gonna look right on you or not. That's why I really like Dd's, because they always got trendy pieces, and I can just try those pieces without spending a lot of money at like Zara or somewhere else to see if I even like the style on me or not. So yeah, anyways, I am about to go to Home Goods, and whew, wish me luck in there. I am looking for some particular things, but you know, it's just gonna speak to me. So yeah, I'll catch y'all there. I just finished in Home Goods. Home Goods was not really popping for me, but I did find some of the things I was looking for. They just didn't have like any knickknacks and things that I wanted for some decor pieces. It was all fall stuff and like pumpkins and all that kind of stuff, and they didn't really have what I was looking for in regards to decor, but they did have some other pieces. And I will be showing you guys what I picked up in a Home Goods haul. I didn't get much because they didn't have what I was wanting. So yeah, I'm about to drink some of this Diet Coke. Do y'all watch Bunny? She always be like sippy sippy, and then she'll like take a sip and be like, ah. It's so funny to me. Okay, anyways, I'm about to drink my Diet Coke and head to Zara. I'm so excited, and shop around at the mall for a couple of things that I'm looking for, and then I'm supposed to go grocery shopping, but I don't feel like it, and I forgot my grocery bags. So it's like if I go grocery shopping, then I'm gonna have to go right home after that, because I don't want my groceries to spoil because it's hot out here. So yeah. Hey guys, I'm gonna get in trouble because I took off my mask, but babe is here. He finally made it to the mall. I did get some stuff in Zara that I had my eye on, so I'm so excited and happy that they did have those items in the store. And some of the items that I had my eye on, when I saw them in the store and I touched them, I did not like them. So I'm really glad I did not buy them online because I would have been disappointed. Anyways, we're in the line right now for Cotton On. There's like literally lines everywhere. Those right across from us is PacSun, and the line is like wrapped around. And I don't know why it's so popular, but yeah, I'm going into Cotton On, and then I don't know where we're going after this. There's this store called like Q, and I'm probably just gonna walk in there and see what they have, just because, like, you know, it's something you have to do. So yeah. I'm gonna go here to Ross, and then I forgot I got to Home Depot as well to get some screws for my shelf. Just a lot of stuff to do still, and I've yet to go grocery shopping, so that is still on the list to do. I am going to end my vlog here simply because I have a lot more to do and it's kind of boring. And yeah, so I will be filming what I picked up in Zara. I didn't go to that like Q store because there was like a little line and it looked like some like cheap clothes, and I didn't really want to bother myself with that, so I didn't end up going in there. But yeah, I'm gonna end up doing a haul with my Zara items, as well as the things that I got from Didi's, as well as what I picked up from Home Goods. So be looking out for those videos. If you liked this vlog, don't forget to let me know down in the comments below. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.